Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and it's day 25. And what I'm doing now is Lynn and I removed the windshield out of the cab, and now I'm going around and I'm removing all the weather stripping, and in the corners of the truck, somewhere along the line of its life, someone put in some nasty crap, and it's really hard to get off. It's kind of like a greasy, I guess they were trying to create a seal. The windshield has leaked. When I was driving it back from Texas, there was a gap, probably a quarter-inch gap in the weather stripping on the windshield, and I drove through a rainstorm. I mean, it was just like a waterfall coming in. So, that's what rusts out these old trucks, just leaks wherever they may develop. And so anyway, what I'm doing here is I'm scraping off all the weather stripping on the windshield, and then I'm doing a wire wheel and cleaning it off, so it's just a combination of a putty knife and a wire wheel and a putty knife and a wire wheel and elbow grease and plenty of it. So that's what this video is about. It's pretty boring, but it's, here again, it's part of the process. And then on the doors, I do the same thing. I have to remove the weather stripping with a putty knife and just get in there and start scraping and taking out as much as I can. Now, when you look on the firewall, you can see that white, well, hell, it's already gone now. There's white caulk there, and it looks like it's like household latex caulk someone had applied trying to seal prevent the leaks from coming into the cab. And so there's that garbage on there too. So it's just a process of getting in there and taking a screwdriver, taking a putty knife, taking a wire wheel, and just scraping and cleaning as much as I can off, getting this down. And then in a future video, I'll show you some stuff that Lynn turned me on to that really is nice, and it makes the job a lot faster, a lot easier. So if this brought you any value, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate the support, appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again.